Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Madhavi. In today's video, I would like to show you tutorial of this super quick, super easy bow hairstyle. So start by parting your hair. I prefer taking side partition. Now take a front half section of your hair from both sides of the partition. Take them towards back side and make a ponytail. Now while taking a ponytail, remember that on the last turn of your hairband, pull out only small section of your hair and preferably the length of your bow as shown. Now split it into two equal halves, slightly roll them above and secure them with bobby pins on both sides of your bow. If you are doing this self hairdo, try not to leave hold of your other side of bow because it may get clumsy. Adjust your bow if there are any loose ends and secure it tightly with bobby pins. Now take a small section of hair just below the center of your bow, wrap it around the center and tuck it inside. Slightly comb your hair with fingers. Ignore my expression here, please. If you want, you can add any accessories of your choice. This is completely optional. Here I am using few fancy U-pins to decorate my bow. And we are done. If you like this video, do share it with your friends who might like this video too. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do so, give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, keep smiling and spread happiness. Thank you. Bye bye.